Welcome to another video with Liam's BMW F34. We are going to be installing a giant front mount intercooler and some nice charge pipes. So he's going to get all the turbo sounds he needs.
And the cooling.
Yeah, and the cooling. It's going to be...
Turn up the boost even higher.
Yeah, turn up the boost. This is our friend that will turn up the boost.
Our very lovely friend.
Yeah. So if you guys don't know, this is Liam. This is a BMW F34 328xi with the N20 engine. He's currently running a catless downpipe and a JB4 tune, right?
Yep.
First thing you want to do, we just remove the intake, well, because we're putting an intake on it, and this is going to clear up some room. But now we're going to jack up the car, and we're going to take the under tray off. Now, if you have a F34 or an F30, they probably have the same under tray. So what we like to do, because it's kind of a pain in the ass to remove, is we jack the one side of the car up, put a jack on under there, we undo all the bolts, and then we remove the tray and then put it on jack stands, because you can't remove the under tray if you have the car on jack stands, and you also can't really see where to put the jack stands. First thing you want to do after you get this tray off for your intercooler, you can see under here there's going to be two T25s holding them in. I've already loosened that one off. You're going to loosen off that one, and on the other side of the intercooler there's going to be another T25. We're going to loosen off that. We're going to want to pull off both of our charge pipes, which is kind of interesting to do. Liam's going to pull that one off because we already got that one off. And on this side, I'm going to show you guys how to actually take this charge pipe off. So to get these charge pipes off, I'm going to pry up on one side here, and Liam is going to pry up on the other side. I don't know if this is the proper way, but this is how we seem to be able to get them off. There we go. You'll feel it come loose, and it's pretty straightforward. It just pops off like that. So now we got those charge pipes off. I'm going to loosen off these two Torxes, and this should just fall on my head. Hopefully not. Okay. We're going to watch both for the bugs. Okay, it's out. Next step is going to be to remove both of the charge pipes. Yeah, just like that. I think you already got it. Yeah. There. Yeah, I'll just pop up. Oh, just some TLC. Oh, there we go. Jesus. Oh, wait. It's off. Turbo outlet charge pipe. So now we have removed all the charge pipes. So we're going to go ahead and slap our intercooler in. Yeah. Push it forward. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. All right. Now Liam's going to try and slap this charge pipe on. So we got this on. We really had to give this all my might to get that O-ring on. It was not easy. Lovely. So yeah, we're going to get that on the outlet of the turbo. We slap this pipe on, and then after that we can start to throw our intake on. Okay, we're on. That's on. The charge pipe's on. We actually found it easier if you're installing this. I would definitely leave the intercooler off, install the charge pipes, and then push the intercooler onto the charge pipes. Hey, Leo?
Yes.
So now Liam's going to go ahead and insert the turbo inlet pipe. So we got our map sensor plugged in. Our vacuum line plugged in. Liam's throwing the cold air intake on.